in divorce, custody, and family law issues with offices in Nutley, Montclair, New Jersey. Today is November 26th, 2018, which is important if you happen to be watching this at any time in the future. The tip and information I'm giving you today may be different, so you need to check to update that. Today's video is my daily tip where I take a certain topic that I find my clients are confronted with often or that is significant in many cases, and I try to give you a short piece of advice around that issue so that it's a quick video, but at least it's a helpful tip. Today's tip is about a parenting plan and what to include in your parenting plan. Now, technically, a parenting plan is a document that gets submitted with a divorce complaint or answer and has some formal information, but I'm really talking about a parenting plan that you're either agreeing to, or if you're in court on a custody matter, or even in a divorce, but specifically to the schedule of parenting issues, not the technical parenting plan that you may submit. Now, obviously, when you submit a parenting plan, you obviously want to have the schedule, holidays, and vacations. I'm not talking about that. That's the basic kind of information that would be obvious that you want to include in your parenting plan. But what you want to include that's more important than that are the following two things. First, what do you do when there's a conflict? Either there can be a conflict between the parenting schedule, like the weekly parenting schedule, and a holiday. There can be a conflict for vacations if both parents want to take vacations at the same time. You want to provide a mechanism to resolve that conflict, either by determining how it's chosen or by simply saying something like the one parent gets the conflict resolved in his or her favor on an even year and the other on the odd years. But some way or another, you want to have it spelled out so you can avoid the conflict arising in the future. And the second is you want to put when and how the parenting can be modified. What will constitute a future change of circumstances to allow a plan to be revisited? Absent that, you have to rely on what's called a material and substantial change of circumstance, which can be very challenging to meet, and in many cases, a parenting plan that people expected to be able to modify in the future cannot be because they can't make that kind of a showing. So those are the two things I think are very important to put into your parenting plan. If you need information on this or other issues, certainly call me at 973-562-0100. Go to my website, which is micklonlawgroup.com. If you like this video and you think it helped, please give it a like and share it so that other people get to see it. With that, I thank you. I'm going to sign off, and hopefully I'll see you for my tip tomorrow, which is going to be, I think, at 11 o'clock. But I'll post the information.